Shelley measures the dimensions of her bedroom so she can buy new carpet. Which set of dimensions for Shelley's carpet is most reasonable? So when we look at this, we can see all of our choices A, B, C, and D. They all use different units of measurement. So we have feet, inches, meters, and centimeters. So we're thinking about a room. So she's trying to carpet her room. So as we look at our choices, we want to keep that in mind. So we're trying to find the choice that is most reasonable. So the one that would make the most sense thinking about the size of a bedroom. So if we look at choice D, 100 centimeters by 80 centimeters, and then if we look at our Ohio State test reference sheet, the whole top of that is unit conversions. So if we look at that, we're going to see that 1 inch is about 2.54 centimeters. So this is really going to be too small. So you really measure a bedroom in centimeters, so we know that D is not the correct answer. So I'm going to cross that out. C is 20 meters by 18 meters. Again, looking at our state test reference sheet, 1 meter is approximately 39 inches. So if we think about what we know about inches, 12 inches make a foot. So 20 meters by 18 meters, that's going to be too big for your average bedroom. So we know that the answer is not C. B tells us that the bedroom could have dimensions of 60 inches by 36 inches. So remember there are 12 inches in 1 foot, which our state test reference sheet tells us right here. So if we were to look at this, this is kind of saying the bedroom would be 5 feet by 3 feet, which is our most reasonable choice so far. It's better than C and D, but we want to look up here at choice A. So choice A is 12 feet by 10 feet. So now this part where it says most reasonable comes into play. If we're thinking about the size of a bedroom, a room in your house, the most reasonable solution here would be A, 12 feet by 10 feet. Because if you think about it, for B, 5 feet by 3 feet, most of us are about 5 to 6 feet tall. So if you think a 5 foot by 3 foot room, 5 feet by 3 feet, that's kind of too small for the measurements of your average bedroom. So the correct answer here is A.